Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be covering Badger, whose current price stands at the $0.092 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by negative 2.34%, and I want to give a brief analysis of what can play out on this chart. So just the other day we had a massive breakout to the upper side of this descending triangle that I have over here. We went above this key area of resistance at around the dollar mark, even touched the other key area of resistance, but we got rejected, and we closed the daily candlestick that day within this key area of resistance at around the dollar mark. And now we are having a bit of a pullback to the lower side, and I want to show you how up to what point is it possible that we might retrace to before we get another pump to the upper side. And to do that, I want to go to the 4-hour chart, and I'll be using the Elliott waves, the Fibonacci, to show you that. So it's this wave that I want to see how much it can retrace to the lower side, and to do that I'll be using the Fibonacci. So if I apply the fibs from this low that I have over here to the high that we made the day we had a breakout to the upper side, this wave to the lower side should retrace a maximum of the 0.382 fib level. So I expect us to continue seeing lower prices, and once that happens, if we go to around the $0.86 mark, it's up to that point where I expect us to find another reversal to the upper side. So I expect us to continue seeing lower prices up to around the $0.086 mark, and from there we should find a reversal to the upper side and break above that key area of resistance. And once we find a successful retest, then we can continue pushing to the upper side. And if we lose that key area on the Fibonacci, that is the $0.38 mark, the 0.38 fib level, it's possible that we continue seeing lower prices and maybe go to around the $0.056 mark, where we have our next key area of support. So those are the key possible scenarios to the upper side and to the lower side. So and I'll keep you updated on any movement that plays out. Also on the indicators, you can see that on the RSI we are trading at around the 53 mark, and that would mean we have potential, we have room for us to continue moving to the upper side, or we can continue pushing to the lower side on the RSI. On the MACD, we have a bearish cross, and that would mean we might continue seeing lower prices and maybe hit the 0.38 fib level before we find a reversal on this chart. So those are the key scenarios, and I'll keep you updated.